Back in 2003, it cost $3 billion to sequence the first person's genome. Now any of us can do it for a few £100. And the question is how useful it is, well, and whether we should be doing it or not. Now, I've had my full genome sequenced twice by 2 different companies.
Could I ask which ones you used, Lara? Was it like 23andMe type?
Yes, sequencing.com and GeneStore. I've done various things like 23andMe as well, but in terms of full genome
you had the
sequencing.
full shebang then,
now,
like they went...
the full thing. Back in 2003, it cost $3 billion to sequence the first person's genome. Now any of us can do it for a few £100. And the question is how useful it is, well, and whether we should be doing it or not, which is slightly separate. So right now, there's only a certain amount that scientists know about the human genome. So there's only a certain amount that is actionable or even understood. So when you get your results back, there's different levels of confidence for different things. And there are a few things which are absolutely known today and understood and could prove useful, but probably for very few people. So having your full genome sequenced right now, if you do it on your own without a doctor, the chances are for many people it will send them into complete panic and some just wouldn't really understand what they were being told. But when I spoke to Genomics England and I found out what they're doing with genome sequencing at birth, and this is something as part of the government's 10-year plan they're aiming on doing for everyone in 10 years, what they're doing right now is they're doing this full genome sequencing on babies who are at high risk of genetic disease where there are actionable things that could be done. So this means, for example, conditions, and rare diseases are quite common, incidentally. There's a lot of different rare diseases.
Yeah, of course. Collectively, they're common, you mean?
Yeah, exactly, collectively. Yeah. And for some of these conditions, children could lose their sight very young if it's left untreated. So if they know the right people to screen and they're screening for very specific things and it is done at a healthcare level, then this can have absolutely enormous impact for a variety of diseases.